gold or might. Our strength was never gold or might, but values carried through the night. A nation grows, stands tall, survives. A nation grows, stands tall, survives when culture breathes into its lives. Ladies and gentlemen, development does not begin with money. It begins with mind, and nothing shapes Indian minds more deeply than Indian cultural values. Honorable judges, respected opponents, and my fellow Indians, today I stand not with emotion but with evidence, history, and civilizational memory. Because when we say Indian cultural values, we are not talking about festivals and rituals. We are talking about a 5,000-year-old operating system that built one of the world's greatest civilization. Let's begin with history. India was not just a nation, it was a knowledge superpower. While Europe lived in the dark ages, Nalanda had 10,000 students and 2,000 teachers. While the world struggled with sanitation, Harappa built underground drainage. Our economic contribution was 30% of the world GDP before colonization. What was our secret? Technology? No. Weapons? No. Our strength was our lives. Indian values produce responsible citizens. Dharma, duty before power. Satya, truth before comfort. Ahimsa, peace before conflict. Shram, dignity of labor. Seva, service without reward. Sarv, dharma, sambhav, respect for all paths. These values created a society that encouraged innovation, harmony, compassion, and responsibility. That is the exact formula for modern development. Let me ask you, how many of you were taught respect, honesty, discipline, not by school, but by home? That is the power of Indian culture. Indian value of dharma means a leader must have for people, a teacher must teach with integrity, a citizen must be ethical, a worker must be sincere. Imagine an India where every politician follows Raj Dharma, every officer follows Karn Dharma, every businessman follows Vyapar Dharma. Corruption collapses, development skyrockets. Values are not emotional concepts. Values are not emotional concepts. They are practical tools for national progress. Our cultural values create unity in a diverse nation. India has 1.4 billion people, 22 languages, 6 major religions, hundreds of castes and tribes. What holds this giant together? Not law, not force. Values. Indian values. Sustainable development is rooted in ancient India. Today the world talks about zero waste, organic farming, mental well-being, plant-based diet, eco-living. But India lived this thousands of years ago. Our rishis wrote about conservation. Our kings built water harvesting system. Our culture teaches balance with the nature. This is the future. The world is moving towards Indian values, not the other way around. So I stand here to say, India does not need to import values. India needs to implement her own. Because when a civilization stands on borrowed ideas, it becomes confused. But when a civilization stands on its eternal values, it becomes unstoppable. Indian cultural values are not just a part of our development. They are the foundation. Strong enough, wide enough, and deep enough to carry India into the future. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.